Good morning, everyone. Today I'm meeting up with Emily in Magic Kingdom. I met her at the Lost Bros pop-up event, and we talk a little bit on Instagram and stuff, but I'm excited to hang out with her today. She's like, I want my family to meet my friends. I was like, so sweet. I'm so really excited. I'm since March 13th right now. I'm taking back to like 2:15, 2:10 because I need to go to Publix real quick because I work at 5:30 today. And yeah, I also am picking up at Blizzard Beach next week. So I got my costume and it's so cute. I'm so excited to work there and to wear it. Today is the day before Easter, so it's very busy already. So yeah, it's also like 71 and really, really windy. So it's like not chilly, it's like a sweater weather, but it's very windy, so sorry about the wind. But I'm excited to have fun. Tomorrow I'm also coming here. We're rope dropping, me and Melinda, in the morning. We're gonna do all the Easter festivities, like meet Mr. and Mrs. Easter Bunny. I heard Rabbit might be out, I'm not quite sure. And then the Easter parade, and they have double Festival of Fantasy. I can't see both because I work at 4, but we're gonna try and see at least one of both. So I met up with Emily here at Magic Kingdom, and that was really fun. We went to Carousel Progress and we did People Mover, but I had to boot out because I have to go to work very soon. Also saw Mary Poppins and Bird and Mr. Penguin, and I'm hoping they're there tomorrow because I want to meet them all together.
I'm walking right down the middle of Main Street, USA. USA, it's the heart of America, the heartbeat of Hollywood.
I feel really tired. I'm gonna go to Publix real quick because I have to get a few things. And then I'm going to, and then I'm gonna get ready for work. Yeah. I'm really hungry right now. Because I didn't eat that much for breakfast. I was like, okay, I won't stay that long at the park. So I didn't pack any snacks. So I have water. So we're gonna see if I can just drink a ton of water to make me a little bit less hungry, a little bit more full, and not have to pee. And then I'm gonna go to the store and then get groceries and then relax and make my sandwich and then go to work, and everything I've already said before. So now I'm eating my sushi, which is really good. Is it bad to say that I love grocery store sushi? Like, I don't think it's bad. And I'll eat it, it's fine. So I'm eating my sushi now, which is like my lunch, and then I'll make another dinner later for when I'm at work. But I'm also uploading my video right now, and it takes so long. I just really wish that the hotel Wi-Fi was here, because that Wi-Fi is fast. Anyway, just gonna hang out and relax until I have to start going for work. Okay, so I'm gonna make this quick because I have to go to work any minute. But I got my costume for Blizzard Beach, which is really exciting. I'm gonna come back here a little bit because I'm in the shade. So this is the top. It looks super cute. It's kind of like a Christmassy pattern, and short sleeves. And then I also got a belt with it too, because I'm gonna be tucking it in. And then these are my shorts that I got, and they're super, super cute. And on, it looks really cute, and I'm just really excited to wear it. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next daily vlog. Tomorrow's going to be my Easter vlog, so this will be really exciting. I'm really excited to spend it in Magic Kingdom. Alright, I'll see you guys later in my next daily vlog. Bye!